How to change YouTube language and audio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change YouTube language and audio. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you're inside the settings section, just tap on the languages. And now here in this section, you can just tap on app languages, and here under app languages, you can choose the language you want YouTube to use, and here just tapping on it will change it automatically. And here with that, to change the audio language, you can just go back and tap on preferred language. And once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can simply select the language that you understand. And once you're done selecting it, you can just tap on confirm. And with that, now YouTube will use your selected language preferences for supported videos and audio tracks. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.